The type of woman that wears Beaudry is one that would rather have fewer pieces and finer pieces. She's very much into details. Here we did our classic Diamonds Forever with black diamond beads and then rough aqua. We're really doing two things. We're really focusing on our bridal collection. Beaudry Boutique is one of those collections that hits wonderful price points and allows customers and collectors to really enter into the Beaudry brand. And then secondly, we have Laura Beaudry, my wife's fashion collection. We have a raspberry spinel, and it's an 18-karat white gold. It has beautiful gallery work, wonderful little fleur-de-lis integrated in the design. From every angle, it's a piece of art. My design philosophy is that if you design a piece well, it will always stand the test of time. So I really look ahead to make sure that collectors enjoy a piece today, but that in 20, 30, 40 years, it'll dovetail right into the pieces that they're buying then.